What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. How much does a red triangle weigh? So again, we have these two different scales right here. A green hexagon and red triangle together weigh 6 kilograms, and 3 red triangles and 2 green hexagons weighs 14 kilograms. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. So just before we get started, quick shout out to Mind Your Decisions, where I got the inspiration for this puzzle. It's an excellent puzzle. So let's take a look real quick. So we have these different shapes and we have 2 different weights for these different groupings. Now, what you could do, right, is you could assign a variable x, y, and we could call this x, x, y, y, y. And of course, algebraically, we can make a beautiful system of equations and solve for x and or y. But there might be an easier technique given the way this is set up. So I see right here that a green hexagon and a red triangle together weighs 6 kilograms. Well, that's pretty cool because I've got a pair like that right here, so that must also weigh 6 kilograms. Then I have another pair right here that must also weigh another 6 kilograms. What that means is these 4 together, therefore, have to be 6 plus 6, which is 12. And since the total here is 14, the remaining red triangle, therefore, must be 2 kilograms. Now, just to verify, if we see that the red is 2, we can see from the first scale that the green hexagon must be 4 kilograms. And then just to double check our work, if this is 4, this is 4, that's 8. Then we've got 2, which is 10, 2, which is 12, 2, which is 14. Double verified, boom, done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.